Hi everyone, this is Brad. Today we are creating with AI using Quizizz. Just so you know, I am on a basic account. If you want to find out plan, you can go ahead through, take a look at this information right here. But I am going to go ahead through, and you can see that you can create with a YouTube video, which is awesome. You could import from Google Slides or Docs, a custom prompt, upload a document, or create with a link. So let's take a look at this one right here. Let's look at a YouTube. So I'm going to paste this one in, and it's going to generate questions. In this one, as you can see your other options here, it is on 25 facts about Seinfeld. Okay, so you can see right in here, it created 10 questions for us right through here. Here are the questions with the answers already set up. How awesome is that? Of course, you could go ahead through, edit if you'd like to, create more questions, so on and so forth. Then you can also see you could translate it, you could differentiate, you can modify the quiz and improve engagement, so on and so forth. So really cool to have there. I'm also going to show you this one right here. We're going to go ahead through. I'm going to open up this link on this article on George Washington. Now I did add the extension. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select generate quiz, and it's going right from that website. Again, we have 10 questions directly from that website just by one click. So you can see that right in there. Of course, again, you could go through, change what you need to, add on, so on and so forth. But you can see it's all right here. You can go ahead and publish if you'd like. Then you can go ahead. You could preview the quiz as well as edit your settings. So definitely worth checking out. And if you do need to, go ahead, or if you'd like to, go ahead and add that extension. Thanks for watching. Take care.